If you're going on a cruise on Norwegian Cruise Line, these cruise tips, tricks, and mistakes to avoid will help you to save money, to enjoy more, and not miss out on some of the best parts of your cruise. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. We recently got back from an amazing NCL cruise, and in this video, I am going to share with you the things that you absolutely do not want to miss. Now, this includes things that you want to make sure that you do on embarkation day. It includes some cruise cabin tips that you're going to want to know, including one thing that I tried on this cruise that I've never tried before. It includes money saving hacks so that you can save more money and cruise more often, packing tips, and even one thing that if you are a fan of cruising, if you are a cruise lover, you are definitely going to want to know. Now, a portion of this video is sponsored by Norwegian Cruise Line, but more on that later on in this video. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number one, download the Norwegian Cruise Line app before you board. Do not wait until you board to do this or until you arrive at the cruise terminal on embarkation day. Now, this can even serve as a little bit of research, as you can take a look at the deck plans of your cruise ship, and you can even take a look at some of the activities. Number two, now sticking to embarkation day, avoid the buffet on embarkation day. That is where most people are going to head. However, you have a lot of different casual restaurants that are actually going to be open on embarkation day. Now, this includes the main dining room, so you can definitely do that. I tend to go to one of the included main dining room or restaurants on embarkation day. Speaking of 24-hour dining, this is just something to remember for the entirety of your cruise. Depending on the cruise ship, you're going to have Oceans or the local that is going to be available, and you can have everything from an American style breakfast in the morning to lunch like a burger and really good chicken wings to even a late night snack, even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning after the casino or the club. Number four, book your specialty dining early. Now, if you haven't done this before your cruise, as soon as you board on embarkation day, maybe after lunch, head right over to book your specialty dining. Now, on our cruise, this was available in Teppanyaki. This was the place you could even check out all of the different menus, and then you were able to book your dining reservations for the cruise there. Book any shows that do require reservations. Now, most shows are not going to require reservations, but there may be one or two. So make sure that you do that as well on embarkation day. And by the way, a little extra tip, when you do go to the shows, make sure that you do arrive at least about 15 minutes early because they do tend to fill up. The Freestyle Daily. So every evening you are going to have the Freestyle Daily that is delivered to your cabin. And the Freestyle Daily is basically your itinerary and your schedule, and it gives you all of the information that you need to know about the shows, the opening hours, and so on. Now, alternatively to the Freestyle Daily that is available on paper is you can also find a digital version of the Freestyle Daily on your app. By the way, do you prefer the paper version or the app? I have to say, I like a little bit of both. Usually before I go to bed, I like to look at the Freestyle Daily, but then during the day, the next day, I tend to look on my app. Clothing items to pack and what not to forget. Now, even though Norwegian Cruise Line is freestyle, so you don't have to worry about formal nights and you don't have to worry about dressing up unless you want to, there are some things that may not be obvious. Now, when it comes to the restaurants, it's a good idea for men to pack at least one shirt with a collar and one pair of pants. That's because there are a couple of specialty restaurants where they don't allow t-shirts and shorts. Now, something else that you want to make sure that you don't forget is closed-toed shoes. So don't come with just flip-flops, bring closed-toe shoes in case you do want to do any sports or even some of the activities like the go-karting. Theme party outfits. Now, I am going to share with you the theme parties that you're going to find on your cruise, but you're going to want to make sure that you do pack something white or glowy. Pack your cruise gear. Now, it's a good idea to bring your cruise essentials so that you can pack better and stay organized and have a better time both on and off the cruise. Now, Norwegian Cruise Line sent me some items from their brand new Lifestyle by Norwegian collection that includes not only items that you can bring on your cruise, but items that you could use at home as well. Now, there's an essentials collection and an accessories collection. Now, I'm going to share the items that you can use at home in just a minute, but first I did want to share with you some of my favorite items. There are packing cubes. Now, I'm a huge fan of packing cubes, And this set of 3 packing cubes is just fabulous. I did use them to pack for my cruise, and it just made it a lot more fun. Now, in addition to that, you're going to find refillable water bottles. You're going to find a wine tumbler. You're going to find a thermal mug, as well as practical cruise wear like this cool dry shirt and this baseball cap that Frank absolutely loved wearing during our Bermuda cruise. Now, as well, many of these items make great gifts for family members or cruise friends. Now, in addition to the travel gear that you can bring and use on your cruise, my favorite part of Lifestyle by Norwegian might be the items that you can actually use in your own home. If you're like me and you've ever wanted to bring those comforts of your cruise home, this is your chance. Now, after having the best sleep in my cozy bed in my cabin on Norwegian Joy, it was actually nice to get home and try out my new Lifestyle luxury sheets. They're so soft and feel almost like a cruise. In the Lifestyle Essentials collection, you'll find cozy pillows, sheets, and a duvet set. I love my fluffy beach towels that remind me of my cruise. Now, I sometimes joke that I want my home life to actually feel like a cruise, but it actually can. You can buy a cutting board, and I even have the bento box, which is so fun for lunches. Now, you can find all of the items from both the Lifestyles Essentials and Lifestyle Accessories collection that I mentioned in this video and more at their website. Now, I'm going to leave all of the information as well as the direct link to their website down in the description below in case you do want to check it out. Be prepared for the glow party. Now, for the glow party, you're going to want to pack something white or neon. And by the way, this is optional, but the glow party is going to be one of the most fun parties and one of the most fun events during your cruise. Now, NCL typically provides free glow sticks and other glowing accessories at the party, but these can run out quickly. So if you want to be sure that you're all decked out, consider bringing some glow items from home. Now, even if you're not a big partier, it's still worth checking out for the atmosphere and even for a little bit of people watching. Now, something that we found during our cruise is the 70s and 80s parties are a lot of fun too. And some people do dress up, but again, this is optional. Cruise cabin tips. Now, NCL's crew is very helpful, and you can definitely make some special requests to your cabin attendant. This can include extra hangers if you need them, extra towels, even a mattress topper if it is available. But something you can ask for as well is to borrow an ironing board and an iron. Now, you'll only be able to borrow this for a short time, but if you do have some creased clothing, this can be very helpful. Don't forget the makeup room button. Now, I've made this mistake before, which is why I am sharing it with you. But when you do leave your cabin in the morning time, if you'd like your room made up, make sure that you do touch that little button so that the light goes on outside, indicating that you would like your room made up, or otherwise you can leave it on Do Not Disturb. Look for hidden storage in your cabin. Now, there are going to be all sorts of nooks and crannies in your cabin where you can find storage space. Now, this includes even under the couch, where I was able to find 2 drawers, and underneath my TV, where I was able to open up the cupboard doors and find small shelves for storage. Solo cabins. Now, Norwegian Cruise Line is great for solo cruisers. You're going to find several different categories of solo cabins. Now, this includes interior studio cabins and a studio lounge on certain cruise ships, as well as cabins from different categories, from a solo balcony, ocean view, and interior cabin. Now, it's important to note that there is a limited number on each cruise ship, so cabins can book up quickly. Dining. There's more than one main dining room on Norwegian Cruise Line ships. So you're going to find anywhere from 2 to 3 main dining rooms, and they all have a different decor, so you really feel like you're eating in a different restaurant, but they are serving the same menu. Now, you are able to find that menu directly outside the dining rooms as well. Eat and drink outdoors. Now, a unique feature of Norwegian Cruise Line's newer ships is the waterfront or ocean boulevard. This area maximizes the outdoor space for walking, for lounging, and eating, while you get incredible ocean views. You can enjoy dining al fresco or having a drink at one of the amazing specialty restaurants. Now, my personal favorite specialty restaurants are La Cucina, Le Bistro, and for a lot of fun, teppanyaki. Enjoy Starbucks in the middle of the ocean. If you're a Starbucks fan, you can enjoy all of your favorites on board your cruise because there is a real Starbucks on each ship. Now, I am a big coffee lover, so I absolutely love this. Now, I have a little bit of a hack for you because you can use your cruise card or beverage package to pay, but you can also use Starbucks gift cards. Now, speaking of eating and drinking outdoors, I almost forgot to mention that if you're on Norwegian Cruise Line's older mid-sized cruise ships, they have a unique spot that's really a hidden gem. If you go to the very back of the ship, behind the buffet, you are going to find the great outdoors. And here you have a buffet, you have a bar, and you get some incredible ocean views. Hidden lounges and quiet spots. Now, depending on your cruise ship, you are going to have different areas that are less crowded than the rest of the cruise ship that you're definitely going to want to check out. Now, the observation lounge, you're going to find this on some of Norwegian Cruise Line's newer ships, including Bliss, Joy, and Encore. Now, this observation lounge is at the very front of the ship. It offers panoramic views and is often less crowded than other public areas. It really is the perfect spot to relax with a coffee and a book. Spice H2O. On some cruise ships like Norwegian Getaway, Breakaway, and Joy, you're going to have Spice H2O, and this is an adult-only area. It is a lot of fun, especially on a sea day. You've got your hot tubs, you've got space to lounge, and you've got a bar. And at nighttime, it turns into a party zone. Stay on the cruise ship when in port. Now, especially if you are on a ship with lots to do, you may want to skip a port one day, let other people get off the ship, while you can enjoy some of the different ship amenities. Now, this includes anything from the water slides to the go-karts to even just relaxing at the pool. By the way, if you've been on a cruise and you've done this, please do let me know down in the comments below. Now, I do have one more tip or one little secret, if you will, as to how you can really relax and escape the crowds. Consider booking a thermal spa pass. Now, Norwegian Cruise Line ships have absolutely beautiful thermal spas, from their older mid-sized cruise ships like Norwegian Pearl to Norwegian Joy, that just expanded their absolutely gorgeous thermal suite. Now, I have a little bit of a tip. Try enjoying this on a port day or even late in the afternoon or early evening on embarkation day. And don't forget to save a little bit of money by looking for those specials on embarkation day. Money saving tips. Look for laundry specials. Now, oftentimes you're going to find this either in your cabin, they're going to leave a little flyer, or you're going to find this in Freestyle Daily, or you can ask your cabin attendant. And basically what you can do is you can fill up an entire laundry bag full of clothing and they will send that back to you folded. Now, you could do this midway during your cruise, especially if you have a long sailing, or you can even do this so that you go back home with clean laundry. NCL's Latitude Points and Rewards. Joining NCL's Latitude's Rewards program provides valuable benefits for repeat cruisers, including discounts on future cruises, priority boarding, and perks like free specialty dining, onboard credits, and even a complimentary bag of laundry. The Norwegian Cruise Line credit card. Now, this is not financial advice, but this is a money-saving cruise hack that was shared with me recently on my own NCL cruise. And basically, the great thing about this card is that you can earn 3 points for every dollar that you spend on NCL purchases, including booking your cruise. Now, these points can be redeemed for discounts on future cruises, for onboard credits, and even free cruises, effectively saving you money on future NCL vacations. Book a future cruise with Cruise Next. Now, a great way to save money and help those post-cruise blues is to book a future cruise on board or put a deposit down and book later with Cruise Next. You'll receive an onboard credit for your current cruise when you book a future cruise through this program, which you can use for purchases on the ship. It's also flexible and the deposit doesn't expire. Be a Norwegian Cruise Line shareholder. Now, you do need to have 100 shares of Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings stock, but when you have this, you can apply for the shareholder credit, which is an onboard credit on your next cruise. Now, Norwegian Cruise Line also has a military appreciation program that has a discount of 10%. Bonus tip, reserve the Vibe Beach Club early. Now, I saved this one for the end because we might want to keep this one just a little bit secret. Now, the Vibe Beach Club is an exclusive adults-only area on some Norwegian Cruise Line ships that offers a more relaxed and quiet atmosphere away from the crowds. But there's a limited number of reservations available, so book as soon as possible when you board or even before your cruise. Now, I'm going to leave all of the information about Lifestyle by Norwegian and all of the different items that I talked about in this video. I'm going to leave that linked down in the description below this video in case you want to buy any items for your next cruise or check them out. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'd love to know. Please let me know some of your questions about Norwegian Cruise Line, and let me know as well, when is your next Norwegian Cruise Line cruise? Now, thanks to Norwegian Cruise Line for sponsoring this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.